So people, you have to click the Apple sign on the top left corner of your screen. Then we go to the languages. Here is your default settings. Add language and search the language whatever you want to add. As we are discussing about Urdu language, so that is the way we can add the Urdu language to our keyboard. So Urdu language is added to my keyboard. So people, as we have selected the Urdu is as our preferred language, so you can also view the keyboard to write the Urdu, and here you go. Of course it is typing Urdu language in Macbook Air. I'm using Macbook Air, so you can also add in this way. Keep watching, and if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye.